Hi guys, I wanted to make one last video to say thank you for your diligence this summer with the 6-week course. I know how hard it is to stay on track with a shorter summer course. It's a challenge and I'm very excited by your pure effort, and I'm also very proud of the hard work that you have done and what you've taught me about a true sense of community among intellectual academics. And I also wanted to say that I wish you well in your future academic pursuits, and that my office door is always open to you if you ever want to stop by or have coffee or just say hi. I'm in the LRC building, the 3rd floor. You just go outside and then you swoop around to the right. My office is at the end, 335. Again, I want to say thank you and gratitude, and wish you a wonderfully relaxing rest of your summer, and good luck in your future endeavors.